Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Remove the two fasteners securing the air filter housing. Make sure that the fasteners are fully disengaged before removing the old filter. Lift the housing. Remove the old filter from the housing. Clean out any debris in the housing. Install your new AF293 filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.